Relative clauses help us add important information about a person or thing. We use words like who, which, and that to join ideas and make sentences more interesting and detailed. The main relative pronouns are who, which, and that. We use who for people, which for things, and that for both people and things. These words help us connect two parts of a sentence clearly. Here are some examples. We say, the woman who lives next door is a doctor. The book which you borrowed is mine. The car that broke down has been fixed. These show how relative clauses give extra details about a noun. Fill in the blank with the correct relative pronoun. For example, in the sentence, the man blank helped me was kind, we choose the word who because it talks about a person. Complete these sentences using who, which, or that. For example, the woman blank works here is my aunt. This helps to understand which person or thing we are talking about exactly. Defining relative clauses give important information needed to understand the sentence. Non-defining clauses add extra but not essential details. For example, my brother, who lives in London, is a teacher. Notice the commas in non-defining clauses. Here are the answers to the practice exercise. The woman who works here is my aunt. The car that broke down is new. I met a man who knows you. Using the correct relative pronoun connects clear and complete ideas. Try combining these sentences using relative clauses. For example, the boy blank car was stolen ran to the police. The correct answer is whose, showing possession. This helps to make sentences more detailed and fluent. The correct sentence is the boy whose car was stolen ran to the police. Using whose shows the car belongs to the boy. This allows us to add possession information smoothly. Remember to use who for people, which for things, and that for people or things in defining relative clauses. Use whose to show possession. Defining clauses give essential information without commas. Non-defining clauses add extra information and use commas. Relative clauses help connect ideas and improve sentence clarity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.